Hi everyone, welcome to Touch to Click. In this video we'll explain how to set the default hard drive as the boot drive on Windows 10 and guide you through the process step by step in a simple way. Step 1. Click on the search box on the taskbar and type View Advanced System Settings, then press Enter. This opens the System Properties window where important startup and performance settings are located. Step 2. In the System Properties window, click on the Advanced tab at the top. This tab contains options that control how Windows starts, recovers from errors, and manages system performance. Step 3. Under the Startup and Recovery section, click on the Settings button. This opens the Startup and Recovery window, where you can control boot-related options. Step 4. In the Startup and Recovery window, look for the System Startup section. Click the drop-down menu labeled Default Operating System and select the All option you want to use as the main boot drive. Step 5. Click OK to save the changes, then click OK again to close the System Properties window. These steps apply the new boot settings to your system. Step 6. Check this boot drive. First you have to go to the search bar, type Run, press Enter, and open your Run box. Again type %systemroot%, press Enter. These steps see the new boot settings to your system. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Touch to Click for more helpful Windows tutorials.